Jesus Christ! Shit. Oh man. Well, he's alright. I need to get out of the fucking house. Make sure Gordon's okay. It's lots of fun. Hey Gordon, how you going? Oh dear. Bloody oath. Well, you're in the best place, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, more stuff just falling around. You just stay there, okay? Yeah, you stay there. Right. Bloody hell, that was interesting. Oh, at least it's not raining. I think the entire house is turned upside down. Me. Jesus Christ. Well, here's one thing. My spider's still asleep. Rock the cradle, eh? Oh fuck. Oh, here we go again. Jesus Christ.